Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make aloo tikki chaat. Let's get started. Take 4 to 5 medium potatoes. Boil them just until cooked and peel the skin off. Grate or mash them with a masher. Make sure it's soft, no lumps are left. Add half teaspoon of grated ginger. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Add half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder, or if you like green chilies, you can add 1 to 2 green chilies chopped. Add half teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Add half teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half teaspoon of chaat masala. Apply oil on your palm. Mix the masala with mixture. Add 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. If you want to know how to make breadcrumbs at home, then click on the link in the description box below. Bind the mixture together to make a ball. Add more breadcrumbs if the mixture turns sticky. Divide the mixture to equal sized balls. You can make big ones to make large tikkis, but thin tikkis turn out crispy and tasty. Make the tikkis into a shape of your choice. Flatten them and seal up the cracked edges. I have made the tikkis this thin so that they turn out crispy and tasty. We are going to shallow fry the tikkis. You can also deep fry it instead. I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil because it's a healthier option, but you can use vegetable oil also. Take some plain flour and apply it on both sides of the tikkis. Then gently slide them one after the other onto the pan. Shallow fry the tikkis until both sides are golden brown. The tikkis are ready now. You can use this to make a burger, or you can follow these steps to make a delicious chaat. Both ways are very yum. It's time to prepare the chaat. Whisk 1 cup of yogurt with half cup of water. Take around 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind chutney and green chutney. You can watch my other videos on how to make them at home easily in the description box below. We need chopped onions and coriander leaves to sprinkle over it. Place 2 tikkis on the plate. Pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind chutney on top, followed by green chutney. Now sprinkle chopped onions and coriander leaves on top. Lastly, sprinkle a handful of boondi on top. If you like, sprinkle some nylon save over it. Now our aloo tikki chaat is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye-bye.